Will Russia succeed with its plan to increase its weapon production in 2025? From drones to missiles, these advanced weapons have played a significant role on the battlefield in Ukraine. The rapid development of military technology, especially in the use of drones and long-range missiles, has transformed tactics and strategies on the battlefield. Russia, increasingly relying on these weapons, is starting to see great potential in ramping up their production. Russia's optimism about this new capability reflects their belief that their military technology will be a key factor in winning battles. However, what about the response from Ukraine? Are they starting to feel cornered with the growing threat posed by these advanced weapons? Or are they starting to make more accusations? Keep your eyes on the story. To gain recognition, Russian missiles such as the Iskander, Kh-101 and Kinzhal have proven themselves to be highly effective weapons, shaking the world with their power and unmatched capabilities. In the dark skies of Ukraine, they have struck targets with deadly precision, from weapon depots destroyed in massive explosions to strikes hitting the command centers of the Ukrainian armed forces. These missiles demonstrate undeniable quality. The sound of large explosions shaking the earth seems to send a message that Russia has created a threat not to be taken lightly. This success has created a fresh wave for Russia's military strategy, which not only relies on conventional forces, but also focuses on the development and production of various advanced missile systems. The Iskander, a short-range ballistic missile known for its speed and ability to penetrate air defenses, has become a key asset. However, it is not just that. The Kh-101 and Kinzhal cruise missile systems are also gaining increasing attention internationally. Information shared among military sources and strategic analysts suggests that Russia is working to significantly increase the production capacity of these missiles. How much will it be increased? Several reports reveal that in 2025, Russia plans to produce hundreds of missiles, including 759 M723 ballistic missiles for the Iskander missile system and 560K H-101 cruise missiles, to continue their attacks on Ukrainian territory. However, despite many claims regarding the increase in Russian missile production, Major General Vadim Skibitsky, deputy head of Ukrainian Defense Intelligence, offered a more cautious perspective. In an interview with RBC Ukraine, Skibitsky stated that while there has been an increase, the overall growth in Russia's missile production has not exceeded 1.5 times the previous amount. This statement suggests that although Russia is increasing its production capacity, the rate of increase is still limited and not as significant as many have imagined. Is he confident? Because there has been no official confirmation from Russia. In addition to Russia's strong belief in the Iskander and Kh-101 missiles, the Kinzhal missile has also attracted significant attention. How so? Russian President Vladimir Putin, on several occasions, has openly praised the speed and sophistication of the Kinzhal missile. In his speeches, Putin proudly stated that the Kinzhal can travel at an incredible speed. Media outlets on the internet have framed the Kinzhal as capable of reaching Mach 10, a figure that is not only astonishing but also extremely dangerous for any air defense system. This speed makes the Kinzhal nearly impossible to intercept or stop by Western air defense systems, including those possessed by Ukraine. The Kinzhal is not just a theory or propaganda. This missile has been launched several times in actual strikes on Ukraine, destroying various key targets. One of the distinctive features of the Kinzhal is its ability to be launched from a MiG-31K or Tu-22M3 aircraft, which is already traveling at Mach 2.7 before the missile is released. The combined speed of both the aircraft and the missile, reaching Mach 10, creates a weapon that is difficult to counter. In the context of the ongoing battle in Ukraine, the Kinzhal is not just a tool of destruction. It has also become an integral part of Russia's military strategy, specifically targeting critical infrastructure, military installations, and high-value assets deep within Ukrainian territory. However, there is a harsh reality that is even more biting. As Russia significantly increases the production and distribution of the Kinzhal missile, the situation in Ukraine becomes increasingly difficult. The United States, which has provided military support to Ukraine from the start, decided to halt further military aid, including the Patriot air defense systems, which had been a key asset for Ukraine. Without additional support from advanced defense systems like the Patriots, Ukraine is now more vulnerable to airstrikes, especially with the presence of the Kinzhal missile, which is extremely hard to intercept. Ola Halushchenko from Pravda wrote an analysis of Ukraine's response to Russia significantly increasing its production of drones and missiles. In the report, Major General Vadim Skibitsky, deputy head of Ukraine's defense intelligence, expressed deep concern that Russia is relying heavily on unmanned aerial vehicles, which are used in large numbers daily, as well as missiles that are continuously launched in turn. Although Ukraine doubts Russia's ability to produce drones and missiles in large quantities this year, on-the-ground observations show that Russia is not facing significant domestic challenges regarding production. Russia has successfully strengthened its arsenal with new and more advanced products. Over time, they have increasingly focused on developing more effective variants of missiles and drones, particularly to counter Ukraine's growing air defense systems. Behind the production numbers and data, the tension is undeniable. This highlights how crucial technology is in determining the course of this conflict, where whoever controls the skies with UAVs and advanced missiles will hold greater power on the battlefield. What is the situation in Ukraine now after learning about Russia's production capabilities and the halting of military aid? Leave your thoughts, and thanks for watching.